And if you're interested in this new luxury hair website theme, link in the description to start your own hair business without any inventory. Vendors will ship for you. All right, friends, so I did make a new hair website. We're going to start with online store and add theme, upload, zip file. You already know I'm using my own templates that I made on Shopify. It's just an easy drag and drop type of thing. So once that upload, I will click publish and then I'll click customize. And I'm going to start with the logo. I did snap with this store, y'all. It is so like bomb. So the link in the description if you're interested in starting your own hair business. Like I said, I will make the website for you. I will, you can choose your own like hair domain name if you didn't want to use this one. This is just like a demo store, but this is our new luxury black and gold hair theme. We will sync the vendor for you. So of course you don't have to hold any inventory or buy any inventory. Vendors will ship the items out for you. So all you have to do pretty much is focus on marketing your business. We can even include a sample from one of our vendors, like a bundle. So yeah, I just thought I should make a new website. Pretty much our top sellers were like black and gold theme. So that's why I made like another spin-off of it. And I understand why. It gives luxury. It really does. So right there is like a swipe with the pictures, or should I say like a slide. And then I'm going to add another photo from my laptop. But yeah, this website does give luxury. So once that uploads, I'm going to click save. And then we are going to upload the cover photos. So I did do something different with the cover photos. I did make them pretty much round and circle. I'm going to scroll back up. I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to click exit so we can go ahead and upload the cover photos. So to upload the cover photos, I'm going to click products and then collections. And then from this point, I'll just want to I'll click add collection, and then I'll name the cover photo, and I'll upload straight from my laptop. I did make these in Canva, so I'm just hopping back and forth, just pretty much trying to remember the name of the collections. And then I'll add that photo from my desktop, and then I'll click done. So I'm going to repeat this process a few times, and then I'll be back just to show you guys, just to, fast forward. So like I said, this is our new luxury hair website. Just want to show you guys, just made this the other day. I will have another pink hair website coming soon. So click the link in the description for more information. And once the cover photos are loaded, you can click like the arrows to view more, or you can click view all, and it'll show you like, you can shop by certain hair. This is pretty cute. I just made this. Probably will do like a pink version of this. And the logo is pretty cute too. It's like a gold luxury logo. And I'll show you guys what the website looks all together. So like I said, if you're interested in starting your own hair business with no inventory from home, we can make the website for you. We'll upload the templates similar to this. You can choose your own business name. And yeah, this is how it will look. Okay, very much bomb. Okay, it's giving. This website is giving. So link in the description for more information. And let me know any questions you guys may have. Bye.